Description of turkey bird. The turkey bird is a large bird in the genus Meleagris, native to North America. There are two species. The first is the wild turkey and the second is ocellated turkey. Males of both turkey species have a distinctive fleshy wattle called a snoot that hangs from the top of the beak. They are among the largest birds in their ranges. As with many ground feeding birds, the male is bigger and much more colorful than the female. Ocellated turkey, Meleagris ocellata, with a blue head. Description of the ocellated turkey. The earliest turkeys evolved in North America over 20 million years ago. They share a recent common ancestor with grouse, pheasants, and other fowl. The wild turkey species is the ancestor of the domestic turkey, which was domesticated approximately 2000 years ago. Californian turkey, Meleagris californica. The Californian turkey, Meleagris californica, is an extinct species of turkey indigenous to the Pleistocene and early Holocene of Californica. It has been estimated that the Californian turkey went extinct about 10,000 years ago.